In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to make Clickup faster. Now, if you're anything like me, you know how important it is for your productivity tools to keep up with your pace. Sometimes, though, things might slow down, and that's incredibly frustrating. So let's dive right into some strategies to speed up Clickup and get back to that seamless workflow we all love. First, it's important to simplify your digital environment by closing unused tabs and any heavy applications that are running. You might be surprised just how much those extra tabs and apps can drain your system's resources. Imagine your computer as a table. Each tab and app are like objects cluttering that space. The more cluttered it is, the harder it is to find what you need, and the slower everything becomes. So take a moment to declutter. This way, your system can dedicate more resources specifically to running Clickup, making it notably snappier. Next, let's talk about browser extensions. We often install them with great enthusiasm, but quickly forget they're there. Some extensions are particularly resource-intensive or may interfere with apps like Clickup. Go ahead and disable or pause those suspicious or expensive extensions that you're not actively using. It's like lifting weight off your system's shoulders, allowing it to breathe and function better. This small adjustment can make a world of difference in how quickly Clickup operates. Moving on to the third tip, clearing your cache and cookies. Over time, these build up and can slow down your browser's performance, just as dust might make an engine run less efficiently. By clearing your cache and cookies regularly, you're essentially giving your browser a fresh start. Think of it as a quick spring clean that helps your overall user experience become smoother and more efficient. Now, let's simplify things by switching to a simpler view in Clickup itself. While the full-featured views are fantastic for detailed project management, sometimes all those details can slow things down. By opting for a simpler view, you're minimizing the amount of data your system has to process, speeding up load times, and making navigation much quicker. Finally, take a look at your custom fields. We often create many with good intentions, but if they're left unused, they can bloat your Clickup experience. Go through your settings and remove any custom fields that are no longer in use. This will streamline your data and make the platform faster, helping you to focus on what truly matters without unnecessary distractions. There you have it. These simple yet effective steps will really help optimize your Clickup experience, allowing it to run faster and smoother. By following these tips, you can keep your productivity levels high and your frustrations low. Thanks for tuning in, and happy organizing.